Some days, everything feels harder than it should. Small things drain you, and you don't even know why. The good news? Each of those problems has a quick, practical fix. Here are 5 little changes that can make a big difference starting today.
Overthinking before sleep? Your mind just won't stop at night? That's because your brain thinks the day isn't over yet. Here's what science says helps. Take 1 deep breath, then think of 3 things. 1 win from today, 1 thing you're grateful for, and 1 plan for tomorrow. This tiny 30-second reset tells your brain, day complete. And studies show when your mind feels safe, sleep comes faster. Feeling lonely around people? Don't wait for someone to start talking. Look around, notice something, and make a short, friendly comment plus a question. Example, this coffee smells amazing. Have you tried it before? Another one, the music here is nice. Do you know the singer? These small openings turn strangers into friends. Endless social media scrolling? Lost hours on your phone? Before opening any app, set a 15-minute timer. When it rings, close it. You'll enjoy scrolling, but without losing your whole day. Or try putting your phone in another room when you need to focus. Out of sight, out of mind. Losing motivation. No energy to start? Forget big goals. Pick a 5-minute micro task. Wash 1 cup, write 1 sentence, do 1 push-up. Small wins create momentum. If that still feels hard, just promise yourself, I'll work for 2 minutes, then I can stop. Most times, you won't want to stop. Feeling stuck in life? Life feels the same every day? Change 1 small habit each week. Try a new cafe. Listen to different music. Take a new route to work. New inputs bring new ideas. Even tiny changes like swapping your morning drink or reading a short article on a new topic can spark fresh energy. That's it. 5 fixes you can use right now. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Subscribe for more quick solutions to real problems.